here are 10 unbelievable and wonderful facts that can blow your mind. Scientists have discovered vast reserves of fresh water buried beneath the ocean floor. These aquifers, found off the coasts of Australia, China, North America and South Africa, contain an estimated 500,000 cubic kilometers of water. This discovery could be crucial for addressing global water shortages. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. This is because honey's low moisture content and acidic nature create an environment where bacteria and microorganisms cannot survive. The Octopuses dorni, often called the immortal jellyfish, has the ability to revert its cells back to an earlier stage of development whenever it is injured or facing stress. This means it can, in theory, avoid death indefinitely, making it one of the only creatures capable of biological immortality. Neutron stars are the remnants of supernova explosions, and their matter is packed so tightly that a mere teaspoon of it would weigh about 6 billion tons, roughly the same as 1 billion elephants. This extreme density comes from the fact that the star's atoms are crushed to an almost incomprehensible level. Lake Nyos in Cameroon is one of the few lakes in the world capable of producing a deadly gas explosion. It sits above a pocket of volcanic gas and, under certain conditions, it can release a massive cloud of carbon dioxide, suffocating everything in the area. In 1986, such an explosion killed 1,746 people and thousands of animals. Botanically speaking, a berry is defined as a fruit that develops from a single ovary and contains multiple seeds. By this definition, bananas, cucumbers and kiwis are berries, while strawberries, raspberries and blackberries are not because they grow from multiple ovaries instead of a single one. The Eiffel Tower is made of iron, which expands when heated. During hot summer months, it can grow up to 15 centimeters, 6 inches, taller due to thermal expansion. When the temperature drops in winter, it shrinks back to its original height. Astronomers have discovered an enormous cloud of water vapor 12 billion light-years away. It surrounds a supermassive black hole and contains 140 trillion times the amount of water in Earth's oceans. This proves that water has existed in the universe for billions of years. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue due to the presence of hemocyanin, a copper-rich molecule that transports oxygen instead of iron-based hemoglobin in humans. When an octopus swims, it actually stops the main heart, which is why they prefer crawling over swimming. Venus rotates so slowly on its axis that one full rotation takes 243 Earth days. Meanwhile, it completes its orbit around the Sun in 225 Earth days, meaning that a Venusian day is longer than its year. Even stranger, Venus spins in the opposite direction to most planets, so if you stood on its surface, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Hope these blows your mind a little. Which one surprised you the most? Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.